Stay off TikTok and watch what I do, day in and day out, to live the life I've always dreamed of. Welcome to a 100% uncensored day of a 16-year-old entrepreneur. Today is Sunday, so I have a lot of time to work. Today I woke up at 8 AM because yesterday I worked till 2 and I wanted to get my sleep in. I've already meditated and everything, so the most things for my routines are done. So now I will get to work and cut a few YouTube videos, produce content for my e-commerce brand and just do affiliate outreaching, because I want to scale it with affiliates so they make content. A few products are already sending to some affiliates, so let's see how this goes. By the way, this is a video of my challenge of making 100k in only 5 months as 16 years old. So if you don't want to miss any videos, subscribe to my channel and like the video, I would be very thankful. But let's get straight into the first working session for today. In this video I want to really show you the real reality of a day life of me, because it's like 1% is this fun things like going into big cities, traveling or meeting up with friends, with business partners, but the most things are like sitting in front of the PC, working the whole day, repeating processes you have to do every day, having calls and stuff like that, because it's not this fun and it's not this fun stuff you see all over social media where you only see the people win but you don't see the process. So I'm in love with the process, I like the working, but Sundays like this are very normal. I'm not doing all this crazy stuff. On weekdays I'm in school too and I do all that after school, but the most things how to get successful is just work and dedication. You just have to work, get your routines in. You don't really need that morning routine or stuff like that, just work and someday you figure it out. By the way, I have a free Discord server, link is in the description. If you want to connect with people or if you want to ask me any questions, just join the server and I would be happy to see you there. Okay, at the moment I'm just getting done with editing all the YouTube videos, making the thumbnails, and I've already posted and made a TikTok video for my brand account, and I'm writing a bit with people who know affiliates, and I'm writing a bit with people who know influencers so I can get more influencers for my jewelry brand. I'm really concentrating on, but I have to do more for that. So the plan of this is to get a big network of people who promote this with their code, and they get a percentage of the code. When someone of their community buys, they get like 20%, and I think that's the best way to really scale a jewelry brand. I can show you some of the jewelry. It's like a diamond chain like this, so it's really nice quality, and yes, I hope I hit 1k this month with it, but should if I really work hard. Okay guys, I will now show you how you can recreate these videos, these viral videos with like 500k, 300k, 100k, 100k, 100k. So to show you that it's that easy, I'm lying in my bed. You just only need your phone or your iPad. First go to a competitor's profile. Okay, this is my video, but I will recreate one of the shoe videos. And I will a bit rage bait, so I will put shoes that the most German people like and some who don't like, some like ugly shoes you only specific people like. So yes, I hope this works, and I can now show you how I will make this. First open CapCut. You don't need Pro or something like that, but just CapCut, and go to this thing and get like only a right picture. You can get the right picture from internet too, and put it to 3 to 4 the video, and just make it big. Now you get the pictures you want to get, like probably get, if you make an outfit video, baggy jeans for boys or stuff like that, flare jeans for girls. It's just like things people really like. Now you can just export it to TikTok and choose a matching sound you think would match, and yes, then you're ready to upload it. I hope this little tutorial in this video helped you. Okay, I will eat in a few minutes, but before that I'll hit a quick workout, just a few push-ups, but I can't do like normal push-ups because of my hand, and a few pull-ups, so let's go. Okay, I just hit my workout and I ate. Now I will hit a deep work session till 10 p.m. because at 10 p.m. I'm getting ready for bed so I can get enough sleep in, because tomorrow I have school again because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. Yeah, now in the deep work session just staying focused is my main goal and get everything done I wanted to do for today. So all the TikToks are made, the YouTube videos are done, so that is good, and now I will do all the other stuff needed. Okay, I just showered and turned my PC off. I did the most things. I hope you like this real day of life of a 16-year-old entrepreneur. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join my Discord server. See you guys.